In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your Shopify link to your TikTok bio. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to copy your Shopify link. That's the first thing. Now, how you can do that? You want to go to the web, you want to log in into your Shopify store, and you want to click settings at the very bottom left. And this is the URL of your Shopify store, okay? I named it one product store. You want to copy that URL, and after you copy it, guys, you want to go in the same browser and search for TikTok. By the way, you can do the same thing on your app if you want. Now search for tiktok.com. As you can see, I'm just going to search for TikTok, and you want to log in using the Gmail that you use on your phone, and you want to then click on edit profile. And after that, guys, as you can see, it says here bio. Okay, now you want to add that exact link here, and you want to click on save. Okay, that's exactly how you can add TikTok bio, how you can add Shopify link to your TikTok bio. Now, if you have 1,000 followers, if you have more than 1,000 followers, you want to open your TikTok app, because you can't find add website on the web version of TikTok. You want to open your TikTok app, click on edit profile, and then you will find here website. Okay, this is website, and you want to paste that link here. Click save. Okay, now if you don't have 1,000 followers, all you have to do, guys, if you can drop a like on this video and watch the video in the screen, I showed you in the video how you can get 1,000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. Okay, so make sure drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.